Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're looking at a very vintage McCulloch chainsaw. This is a model 185. It was made in 1961. It is 95 cc's. It's a gear drive. It has a 32-inch hard nose bar. And the chain is worn down quite a ways. Still will cut, but you're going to have to pick up a new chain if you're going to do any wood cutting with it. It's a very large saw, very good size. This is what is known as one of McCulloch's muscle saws. Named that because I can put a long bar on it, put up to a 60-inch on this, and cut very large timber. There is the gearbox. And it does run good. We'll go outside now and make a cut in that Douglas fir.